Alright.
Let's face it, we all have problems with toilets, but the main concern we have these days is toilets overflowing. This can be a cumbersome situation to clean up. However, our group of highly skilled engineers here as Stockman Consultants, led by Lauren Johnson, as you just saw, yours truly, Charles Sprague, Alex Ulrich, and Samuel Wozinski, have created a wonderful device to help your situation.
Hi, here we are in an ordinary home with an average ordinary toilet, which can overflow. There's the problem. Well, here we have our device to help solve that problem. Here's our circuit board and battery pack so that you don't ever have to plug it into your home and worry about power drainage. So this just goes onto the back of the toilet tank, right there. Then, this goes into the toilet tank, which will be hidden by the top of the toilet. Then this will go over the flapper valve when this, which will be explained by Sam in a minute, reads that the water is too high. Then this, which is pushed. So, when that lifts up and this reads, now that the toilet is flushing, this, our water sensor, will read the level of the water. When that gets too high, then our circuit board here will trigger that, our servo, to do that and cut off all the water, which will create a suction, stopping this from going anywhere. Then you'll no longer have a toilet that's going to overflow. Then all you have to do is find the source of your clog and unclog it. Call a plumber maybe. I don't know. An additional built-in capability of our little problem solver here is a reset button. But first, you have to make this move back into its original position by doing this. Then that goes, and we have to reset the program from there on. So all you have to do is press the reset button right here. Then you're ready to go.
One of the major hardware components of our device is the E-tape liquid level sensor. If you look at the back of the sensor, you can see that the two leads that go into the plastic have a small squiggly pattern that go all the way down the back. This entire device functions as a resistor that changes with the water level. You can see in the middle that there's a black strip. Around this black strip, there's a pocket of air. On the front, at the top of the device, there's a small hole that allows the pressure to equalize whenever nothing is touching the E-tape sensor. Whenever the E-tape sensor is pressed at a certain level, it shorts the circuit at that level, and according to the equation, resistance equals resistivity times length divided by cross-sectional area, the resistance will get smaller because the length will be significantly decreased. The E-tape sensor works in conjunction with an RC time circuit. That is this resistor going over here to the capacitor, and this yellow wire goes to ground. The E-tape sensor leads are placed in between the capacitor and the resistor and the wire right there, and it measures the amount of time it takes for the capacitor to discharge. The lower the resistance, the quicker it will discharge.
This project combines the principles of mechanical engineering as well as the basic knowledge of